Hello everyone, welcome to 3ddesignacademy.com. Now, what are you supposed to do when you cannot find a tool? Well, Alias has something called a tool locator. So all you have to do is just go under help and there it is. Click on this and let's say I'm trying to find the CV or transform CV in order to fix this continue over here. So I'm just going to type in CV over here and it's going to show you all the tools with the word in it. So I think I'm just going to grab one of them over here, transform CV, and I'm just going to click on this and that'll allow you to access the tool directly. So I'm just going to press spacebar to get the menu over here. Okay, I'm just going to say NUV, just a single CV over here. And let's see if I can get the continuity corrected. So I'm just going to drag it across like this. And there it is. I got curvature. All right, so that's how you find tools in Alias. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.